Oh, were you the one that sent out those neighborhood watch pamphlets? I was wondering if maybe you had any extra copies. Or I'll just borrow one from somebody else. Thanks.
Yep, looks like Carol's penmanship.
This is ridiculous. What does she think? We're having an affair?
Well, she probably saw you drop me off yesterday, and she assumed the worst.
Well, now you're gonna have to tell her the truth.
Oh, no, I'd catch holy hell.
Oh, so you want me to catch it for you? I mean, you yourself said she's crazy. I don't want to wake up tomorrow morning and find my tires slashed.
All right, I'll talk to her.
Hello, Edie. Do you have something you'd like to say?
No, that pretty much says it all.